one? If you're thinking about getting a breast pump, this detailed guide will help you choose the right one for your needs. There are two main types of pumps, manual and electric. Manual pumps are operated by hand. They are lightweight, quiet, and affordable. They're a good option for occasional pumping or as a backup. Electric pumps come in single or double versions. Double electric pumps allow you to pump both breasts at the same time, which may save time and help maintain milk supply if you pump frequently. If you plan to return to work or pump daily, an electric pump is often more efficient and convenient. Comfort is extremely important. Look for adjustable suction levels. Pumping should never be painful. Also, ensure you select the correct flange size. A proper fit improves efficiency and prevents discomfort. Consider portability. Some pumps are battery-powered or rechargeable, which makes them convenient for travel. Noise level may also matter, especially if you'll pump at work or during nighttime hours. Check how easy the pump is to clean. Fewer parts usually mean easier cleaning and assembly. You may also want to check whether